Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 17 battery drain fast. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version iOS 17 and you have problem that your iPhone has been battery draining fast, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys you need to click on general and click on software update. And guys, first of all you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, that is 17.1. This is official update of iPhone. So guys, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest version. Click on update now, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. And guys after doing this second step is you need to go back and guys open your app store in your iPhone. And guys after opening your app store, simply you need to click on your main profile. And guys after this, here you can see 14 apps need update. So guys, simply you need to update all apps in your iPhone. So guys after updating all the apps, then guys you need to go back, and after doing this you need to open your settings again. And guys after this you need to click on general and click on iPhone storage. And guys after this, here you need to check the app that you not use in your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to delete your unused app in your iPhone. So guys, for example, if you are not using this app like Chrome, so guys simply you need to open that app, and guys you need to offload app or delete app. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and here is the option of background app refresh. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys you need to turn off this tab. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing all the settings, then guys simply you need to go back. And guys after this you need to click and hold on volume down button and volume up button and guys power button. And guys after this you need to power off your iPhone and power on again. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.